Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. We are trimming up some trees on our property today, raising up the canopies of a bunch of trees all around this property. And it's a good reminder for you that that's something you need to be doing pretty frequently, especially if you have any type of grass, Bermuda, St. Augustine, whatever it might be. You need to keep your canopies raised up. It's not just for aesthetics. Yes, it looks nicer when you have your canopies raised up, and it's also less annoying if you're trying to park cars around a tree or walk on your sidewalk to keep them out of the way. But your turf needs sunlight. It's very important to keep your trees raised up, your canopies raised up, so that your turf can get sunlight. You can see behind me here, this side over here gets full sun. It's got a nice green lush grass because it gets full sun, gets plenty of water. Behind me over here, this it gets plenty of water, but it gets no sunlight at all because these trees are super overgrown and not allowing any sunlight to break through to this turf. Thus, it's died off, and it's died off very quickly. So make sure if you've got large trees on your property to keep them trimmed up, keep the canopies trimmed up, so that at least morning, afternoon, your grass will get some sunlight. You can also thin the canopies out some so that it'll get some sunlight, filtered sunlight, throughout the day as well. So very important. Keep an eye on that and just be conscious of that, because it's a problem that can kind of sneak up on you if you're not really paying attention and watching the health of your turf and just how overgrown your trees might be. So hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions or need any help with that. Thanks.